We are Koreans. Every household must hold a machine called 압력밥솥, pressure rice cooker. And no, I'm not getting sponsored by Kuchen. This is just what I have at home. Must-haves: white rice and brown rice. Have to mix them together to make pap. This is another must-have. I usually put 2 cups of brown rice and 3 cups of white rice. When washing rice, gently stirring it is good enough. Now, put the rice in the pot from the cooker. Pour water to the line. That should be for 5 cups. It's right in between 4 and 6, so you know it's 5. Now, the pot goes into the machine. The lid is closed. Dial the button to lock. You need to hear this sound that confirms it's locked. When you hear, choose 건강 잡곡 and press the center button to start. This means healthy grain steamed rice cooking is started. 39.7 minutes later. Now use the juguk and fluff the rice. Fluff it well. Mission complete.